Hello everyone and welcome back to Goodness Kitchen. Today we are going to be making pasta. For the pasta today we are going to be using pasta, ricotta cheese, tomato paste, tomatoes, heavy cream, onions and garlic, parsley, Italian spices, cayenne pepper, nutmeg, Maggi and salt. Okay, we're going to start by putting the tomatoes in with the onions and the garlic. Gonna mix that up. I'm going to add the cream now. You could also add it when you're like cooking it, but I add it now. So now I'm gonna put some olive oil in a pot on the gas. Just gonna let it warm. But now I'm gonna add this. Add the spices immediately. Now we're just gonna let it sit. Now this water is cooking. I'm gonna to add a tomato paste. I just added the ricotta inside. Mix it up. Here we've got the sauce. Now I'm gonna add the pasta to it. Here you got yourself pasta, and it's the most easiest pasta that I know how to make. You can enjoy it with wine, or you can take it as a snack that you eat after a long day of work. If you want to see more videos and more goodness from Goodness Kitchen, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. God bless you all. Bye.